Mandy?
Yeah?
Mandy, where are
What
you?
happened?
Oh, wait!
What?
Is that you?
Of course it's me.
Are you? Why do you have shades?
I don't know why.
Really?
How is that
Can you...
happen?
Can you give us a quick magic, Mandy?
Sure.
Like what?
This
Like what?
pillow
That pillow will...
will become something special.
Something special?
Yeah, very
Like,
special.
okay.
And then the last ending will be stinky.
Oh, how you gonna turn that into something?
Yeah.
What are you gonna use? Ay, this one. Okay.
You are holding it all the
Oh my god,
time.
I'm holding that. Okay, it's live. Okay.
I'm ready.
Okay, are you ready?
Yeah, of course.
1, 2, 3. That pillow will turn into something. Okay. 3. Hey, not. Hey, chill. You covered. What are you gonna cover? Oh my god. Oh, 3, 2, 1. Where is the pillow? Whoa!
It's taking.
Really? Let me see. Oh no, you don't have pillow. Only Enchanted Kingdom stuff. What's that? Huggy Wuggy? Oh.
No, that's not Huggy Wuggy.
Can you magic that again? Hey, not yet. Can you magic that again?
Okay,
Into
but I'm
something
a
else?
wizard. I'm a wizard of possibilities.
Can you turn that into something else again, Mandy?
Okay.
How? Oh yeah, this one.
Hey, you forgot about me.
Hey, where's the wizard?
Wait a minute!
Oh, you changed that now. How?
Okay.
How? How?
Yeah,
Hey.
you have.
Oh my god. You hold that. Oh my god, there's difficulties, technical difficulties. Because it's live, right, Mandy?
Hey.
Because it's live. Okay. How? 3. Oh. Only 3. 1, 2. 3. What happened? Let me see. Wow. What happened to the... It became a girl. Can you change that again? One more time? A very quick magic.
Wait, no.
A very quick one.
Oh, what
Hey,
is
you forgot your magic towel. A very quick one. Hey, not yet. Hey, chill. Get the mermaid. You magic that now. You magic that. In 3, 2, 1, a quick one. Wait, it's still there. Alright. Hey, you're gonna quick one. One more. Here, chest shot. 1, 2. No, you have so many. You have so many. Oh my god, I think you're cheating on us, Mandy. Okay, this is the second to the last of your magic. Now, you will turn Nezuko into real human. Put this one. Can you put that into real human? Mandy? Point. That one. Oh, you hold it first. Nezuko, hold. Nezuko. Wait, I can see the face.
Okay.
Show the face. That one. Nezuko will turn into real human. Hey, quiet. Oh my god. You become a real one. Oh. You vanish. Mandy, you vanish.
Mama, get out of
You
here.
vanish.
Get out.
You vanish. Or you gonna vanish? Hey, why I'm here, Mandy, where are you? Give me this one. Mandy, come back to me.